Pipe is on, foot wells are on, clutches are on, valve covers are on. Now the big test. Drive shaft is all back together. We got brand new U-joints in there, and I had to get a new rear yoke here, and I got a brand new wear ring, so she's all ready to go back in the bike, or ATV for you politically correct people. I like calling them bikes too. Alright, next step, put her back in and push the rear diff back and bolt her up.
I'm tired, but I still don't have time.
Yeah, that's what all retired people tell me. I don't believe it. Alright, that one's in. Okay, we're gonna try and put this thing back together and get a bolt in here. Slide the diff. Alright, got all the bolts finally lined up, and just trying to get the one on the plate here. So the diff is in place now and the drive shaft's in. I just got to tighten up the rear bolt, tighten all these bolts up, and then I can go play with the valve covers that we finally got. Could finally put this thing together, not play with it anymore. Tired of playing with it. Diff is all tightened up, everything's back in. I want to show you one thing. See the bellows there? This is the problem with bellows, is you get stuff wrapped around your axle or jammed in here and it wears on the bellows, and then you get a hole, and then you don't know why you're sucking water into the rear diff. So I mean, I can get into all kinds of things with the bellows. We've got the old line here. People say, oh, the diff when it's hot and you hit cold water will suck in. Well, how come the front doesn't do that? Well, I don't know. So put a bellows on, and then your bellows gets a hole because of this, and so I don't know. I might go back to a line again, because you don't know when that bellows is going to get a hole in it unless you check it every ride and then replace it. Like this thing still doesn't have a hole in it, but it's come close. So that's my 2 cents anyways. So finally got the rear drive back in. Hang on, I gotta get it into the helix. Okay.
Oh yeah, he can hold 60 pounds. Guy's hands are about the size of his clutch though. I don't know how he gets in the airplanes, beyond me.
Gotta put the clutches on first though. You gotta torque these 75 foot-pounds on the primary and 44 on the secondary. And they're gonna get marked to hold this somehow. There we go. 75 foot-pounds. There we go. Okay. New bolt, blue Loctite, 44 pounds. Old bolt, blue Loctite, 75 pounds. Should be good now. Belt's back on, rotation right away. I'm just gonna put the cover on, and then I can put the exhaust in. My nice wrapped exhaust. See how long that lasts for. Pipe is on, footwells are on, clutches are on, valve covers are on. Now the big test. She runs. She runs. Now I gotta finish putting the plastics on and the cowling on the front, and then maybe I go for a blast down the road and see if this what this reflash has done. That's my new grill cover, the rad. See if that overheats. Got the yellow rims on now, or the yellow bead locks. Alright, the XMR is back together. 5 months. Get all the stuff, get everything together. Now it's back together. So we're gonna go for a little blast down the road. Just make sure everything's good. All the smoke you see coming off, that's from the pipe wrap. I'll be blowing off that for a bit. It's all colorful now. Yellow, red, black, white. Now we'll see how she does. So, I think we're having a barbecue here. Smoking like crazy. All that pipe wrap. Barbecue. Let's check out reverse here. Lower reverse limiter. So this is supposed to be also set up to run a little cooler with the mixture, a little richer. So you don't, apparently you don't need a tuner. I don't have the tuner on right now. Smoking has died down a little bit. Keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't get too hot and stuff start melting. And I might need a tuner. Yeah, it's all over the place. 1450. Aims to kick in about it's hard to tell. It jumps so much. $22.50, something like that. I played with the clutch a bit too. Put lighter weights on, shim the spring. Oh, it's got some jam now.
bolted these things together. They were screwed before, now I bolted them, so that's about as solid as she gets. These things are, the rivets are still wearing, haven't changed that yet. That was in high. Low kicks in about 22, same 2250. Got some jam now. All right. So far, so good. Nothing's burnt, broken, or otherwise. Ah, now I got all dirty. So far, so good. Let's hope it stays that way. See the pipe there? Where I left it bare there, you can feel quite a bit of heat. Over here, the heat dies down. This panel's got quite a bit of heat up here. So keep an eye on that. So far so good. Reflash good. Everything's good. Right on. Thanks for watching, everyone.